Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add Dank bot on Discord. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and add Dank as your bot, firstly, you need to have the admin permission on your Discord server, of course, and then simply go ahead into any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Discord bots, just like that. And there you go. You're going to be on this page which says discordbotlist.com. Simply go ahead and click on that. And now this is where you can find the most popular bots, or you could also search for it up here. So as you can see, Dank is right here. Click on add bot, and now simply click on the cancel button on the ad, and then simply go ahead and click on invite Dank bot. It will simply go ahead and take you to Discord. Simply log in and you can select what server that you want to go ahead and invite it to, and click on continue, and it will be invited and joined the server. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.